But yeah, a couple weeks ago, I just seriously looking. There's a lot of them.
Got a square body for sale. 1975. I'll get
But
the
I wanted this
information.
color.
Holy cow, it is clean.
I finally found it. Other colors and other stuff. I saw this one.
That's something you don't see often. Is a bed in this condition. Maybe repainted, I don't know, but it is extra clean. So 1975 Silverado, long bed. 314-809-2811. Good looking truck.
And listen to Dave. What about the Dave?
These are new factory fenders,
Okay.
both sides. Bed was taken off, sandblasted. It's all painted. New headliner, new rugs.
And you said 78,000 miles.
Original miles.
Yeah. Very nice looking truck.
Thank you.
Nice interior as well.